Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fixing to do a little light upgrade on my hisunaxis 500. Should have probably done a video of them at night of the stock headlights, the regular halogen headlights, but here they are here, kind of in the shade here, as you can see what they look like. Alright, so we're fixing to get to it, put some LED lights in and see what kind of difference it makes. Alright everybody, hope you can hear that wind's howling out here. Mine's got one screw here to take out right here, a Phillips head. It removes this black plastic cover off the back of the lighting housing. We'll take that screw out. Alright. Get that screw out. Let me set it back here so I don't lose it. Okay. Alright, once you do that, you got a little rubber boot here on the back of this light. Just slide it off, just like that. And then twist the light there to the left. Pulls right out. There it is. Alright, here's the bulb here I'm going to be replacing. It's a HK LED light bulb here. See that? Okay. Just push down, twist that one right there. Comes right out. Try not to touch that lens, the glass part of that bulb, in case you have to, later on you want to reuse it or something. You get oil in there to burn out quick. Alright, here's these LED lights right here. Put that in there. Put that back in there and twist it back and click it in place. That's real easy. Put the little rubber boot back on here. There we go. That's it. Rubber boot's back on. Slide that there. Alright, put the screw back in and we'll be ready. It's got a washer on that washer come off, so we get that washer here. Alright, try this again. There. The screw's giving me a fit. There we go. Alright. Put that screw back in. Alright, that's it. Alright, we'll move to the other side and we'll do the other side. Alright everybody, we're going to get this other light out here on the left hand side here. Take that screw out. There's that black plastic cover on. Okay, there we go. Alright, set that screw back here where I don't lose it. Pull that black rubber boot up. Twist that. Take that bulb out. Again, these are the HK LED headlights here. You can get these from the Motorcycle Doctor. Go to motorcycledoctor.com. He has them. Alright. Push that in, twist it like that. Twist that back in place, put the rubber boot back on, and we're done with it. Okay, there we go. Make sure you get your wires back in that little cutout for it there, you don't pinch them. Just like that, and then that'll snap down in here. Okay, let me get the screw. Tighten that screw back up and we'll be in business. Okay everybody, that does it for the upgrade here on the LED lights here. We're gonna put the hood down on it here and flip them on, see what it looks like in the daytime compared to that other one, and then also tonight I'm gonna do a test on it tonight in the dark and we'll see how bright they are. Oh yeah, you can see big difference in it. Alright, we're going to test these puppies out tonight and show you what they look like in the dark. Alright y'all, here's those new LED lights put in the hisunaxis 500 out here in the dark. Made a huge difference. 100% difference. Awesome. Very, very, very bright. So if y'all looking for a good LED light, y'all check that one out. You can't go wrong with it. They fit perfect in the factory light outlet there on it, everything. Alright everybody, I hope that LED light upgrade on the hisunaxis 500 helped y'all out. I appreciate if y'all hit the like button and subscribe. It'll help me out a lot, and also hit that bell notification and you'll know every time I post a new video. Got some more upgrades doing. I'm going to be putting the back windshield in next. protect you from dust and all that stuff during the summertime when you're going down a dusty road. Appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all again.